And how am I supposed to trust you after everything you did?
Believe me, I can replace you any time of any day.
Prove it! It looks like it hasn't got a single drop of humour in it. And your face looks like it needs multiple drops of makeup. Touché. I guess I'll play along with your little game then.
Great. And remember...
However, I want something in return.
How about I spare you and Tilly?
And the others?
Yeah, sure.
Fine.
And remember, if you break your promise, everything I said will be your reality.
Okay, I get it.
1 job done, and 3 more to complete.
What do you want? You. What else could I possibly want? More food? Just be happy I love your cooking in the first place.
Thanks for cooking, Evelyn. Need your help washing up?
No, thank you. I'm okay. Thanks for asking.
Okay, no worries.
What a nice kid.
Who's a nice kid?
Not you, that's for sure. Hell, Sam, you scared me.
Samantha, but whatever. What you doing, Evie?
Don't call me that.
Come on, Evie, Evelyn, Lee. Ow! Ouch.